Toyota of Bellevue offers services and tools that make us more than a typical dealership in Bellevue. All of our salespeople are complete experts on everything Toyota.
Here's a 2016 Toyota Prius. If you believe driving a hybrid equates to sacrifice, this Prius will straighten you out. The Star Safety System, bi-LED automatic headlights, integrated backup camera, and vehicle proximity notification system work to keep everyone in and around this vehicle safe. Connect and entertain with a 4.2-inch color dual multi-information display and tuned multimedia bundle and Bluetooth. The 60/40 split fold-down rear seats make plenty of room for your cargo carrying needs. And on top of it all, the stunning redesigned exterior.
Never feel lost again with the navigation system. Negotiating traffic has never been easier thanks to the blind spot indicator. The heated seats keep you comfortable no matter how cold it is.
Go green and make others green with envy. Come in for a test ride today.